A single-stage doubly grounded transformerless inverter topology with buck boost voltage capability for grid-connected PV systems.
Abstract.
In this project, a novel approach aims to efficiently convert the variable DC voltage from the PV panels into a stable AC voltage that can be synchronized and fed into the grid, while also enabling voltage regulation to optimize power output under different conditions. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope, and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
The block diagram configuration starts with the photovoltaic panel array generating DC voltage, which is then fed into a single-stage inverter that converts the regulated DC voltage into AC voltage synchronized with the grid. The inverter's output is filtered and connected to the grid through a grid-tied connection. Control and modulation circuits manage the operation of the inverter to achieve maximum power point tracking and ensure efficient power conversion under varying solar conditions. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.